Welcome back. We're almost a month into the new year, and if you've already fallen off the wagon with your New Year's resolution, then maybe this can help get you back on track. Terrence from Net Health joins me now to share about their Lighten Up East Texas program. Hello.
We have a very big wagon, so if you fall off, then we can pull you back on.
Exactly. Well, thank you so much for joining us.
Appreciate you.
Tell us a little bit about this Lighten Up East Texas program.
So this is the 10th year of Lighten Up East Texas, and the message that we give to everybody, it's open to anybody over the age of 18. Take the first two numbers of whatever your weight is right now. Take that number and divide that by 2.
Okay.
Whatever that answer is, that is your 5% goal.
Okay.
If you can lose that much weight by the end of April, you will get a ticket in to our grand prize drawings, where our top prize is $5,000 cash.
Wow.
So it's not a lottery. It's not a Biggest Loser contest.
No.
If you lose just a little bit of weight, you have an equal chance to win. And our winner last year only had 1 ticket.
Wow.
So
but that's a really good
game.
incentive, I feel like, for people who are trying to lose weight in this new year.
Because this is about the time, late January, early February, when you start to look back and are you doing what you said you were going to be doing?
Are you going to the gym? Are you actually working out? Are you eating healthier? Maybe, maybe not.
And so I brought this sandbag as an example because I didn't do this on purpose, but since last February, I've lost 50 pounds. I've lost the weight of this sandbag.
Yeah, I'm going to let you hold that up and not me.
You want me to hold it up for the rest of the interview?
Let's see. No, I'm not going to make you do that.
I'm not even going to do that.
Well, what about, you mentioned the $5,000 cash prize. Are there any other incentives that people would be entered for?
We have 2 $500 Brookshire gift cards.
Okay.
We also have the gift of improved health.
Exactly.
It's not,
which is
it's
the
not
gift that
the
keeps
same
on
level
giving.
of the $5,000 cash.
But that's part of this, is trying to encourage healthier habits and help East Texans lighten up, correct?
Because there was a report done by UT Health East Texas a few years ago. If East Texas was its own state in the U.S., we would be near the bottom in a lot of health categories. Like we're one of, if not the unhealthiest region in Texas.
Wow.
And even compared to other states in the U.S., we have room for improvement. So doing programs like Lighten Up East Texas, we want community engagement and involvement just to improve your overall quality of life so that you can have a happy and healthy 2026, 2030, 2040. So it's not just about now.
It's about the future.
It's for the future.
Well, what is one simple way that anyone can get to that 5% goal? What's one step that we can start taking now? So
with the way out week being the end of April, one of the easiest things you can do is just going for a walk. Any time of day that works best for you. If it's waking up first thing in the morning going for a walk, if it's when you get off of work, if it's during your lunch break, walking with your kids, grandkids, just being more physically active. But walking is the one exercise that the vast majority of the population can easily do. You don't have to buy any equipment.
Right.
You just put on shoes. You can walk barefoot if you want to, depending on where you're at. There are fewer barriers to starting walking. It's as simple as that. Just go for a walk. Even if it's walking to your mailbox and back a few times, if it's walking down the end of your street and back, finding those itty bitty ways you can add walking into your day, because every step literally counts. Well,
and we have warmer weather this weekend. If not, we're going to have to talk to Carson and get us some warmer weather in here to walk outside.
Mid-70s, we just got to make it through Friday.
Well, why do you think it's so important for you guys to create programs like Lighten Up East Texas?
Because my needs of staying fit are going to be different than your needs, and it's going to be different than everybody else's needs that are watching. So Lighten Up East Texas is one of several programs that Fit City Tyler puts on. Anybody listening, you can visit our website, fitcitytyler.com. You can see the list of our other programs. You can see where all the different weighing locations are for Lighten Up East Texas, because this Friday is the last day to enter Lighten Up East Texas. But we do the walking programs. We have a Fit City Tyler celebration event later in the year. So there's segments that are available all throughout the year where you can jump in. If Lighten Up East Texas isn't the program for you, that's fine. We have other stuff you can get into.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much for joining us.
All right, thank you.